So, what if you could start earning some real extra income online using free AI tools with literally zero experience? I know, it sounds like a huge promise, but the opportunity right now is very, very real. Okay, let's dive in and break down exactly how beginners are building new income streams as we speak. This right here, this is the number we're going to focus on $100. And that's not per month or even per week. We're talking about $100 a day. That's a significant amount of money, the kind that can genuinely make a difference. But the big question is this for real? Or is it just another one of those online pipe dreams? Well, from everything we're seeing, with the right strategy and just a little bit of consistency, the answer is a resounding yes. It's all about understanding the game and knowing exactly where to start.
And this really gets to the heart of why now. We are in a massive period of change. The people who take the time to learn these new AI tools today are literally setting themselves up for huge success down the line. Being an early adopter, well, it gives you a crazy, powerful advantage.
Okay, so let's get into the nitty-gritty, the practical methods. First up, and probably the most accessible way for anyone to get started, is using AI for content creation. This method is all about building a long-term passive income stream. So what kind of content are we talking about? Well, you can use AI to generate entire scripts for YouTube videos. You can have it write complete blog posts for you, or create all that snappy social media content for places like TikTok or Instagram. A huge chunk of the creative work gets a massive boost from AI. And the workflow? It's actually pretty straightforward. You use an AI tool to generate your script or your article. Then you turn that into a video or a blog post. And then, over time, as people start watching or reading your stuff, you begin to earn that sweet, sweet passive income from ads or affiliate links. Now, here is a really key pro tip. Not all topics are created equal. If you focus on high-value niches, like finance, tech, or even AI itself, advertisers pay way more to reach that audience. And what does that mean for you? It means you earn more money for the exact same number of views. It's about working smarter, not harder. All right, let's switch gears and talk about our second method. This one builds a totally different kind of income. If content creation is the slow burn marathon, AI freelancing is the all-out sprint to get paid right away. Yeah, the main advantage here is one thing: speed. You are not waiting around for an audience to grow. You're doing a job for someone, providing a service, and getting paid directly for it. This is for anybody who wants to see money hitting their bank account sooner rather than later. And as you can see, there are a ton of different services you could offer. You could use AI text generators to write articles for clients or to craft killer resumes. You could use AI image tools to design really eye-catching thumbnails. You offer these services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, and the AI basically becomes your secret weapon, letting you get the work done in a fraction of the time. And here's where the math gets fun. That $100 a day goal? It suddenly seems a whole lot less scary when you realize you might only need to land 2 or 3 clients a day. Think about it. You write one article for $50 and you create 2 resumes for $25 each. Boom, you've hit your target. Okay, before we get too carried away, it is time for a quick but really crucial reality check. Because while all of this is absolutely possible, it is so important to go in with the right expectations. This quote right here, this is the whole thing in a nutshell. Knowledge without action is completely useless. You can watch dozens of explainers, just like this one, but nothing, and I mean nothing, is going to change until you actually start doing something. So let's be crystal clear. You're probably not going to make $100 on your first day. The reality is it takes consistency. But if you stick with it for, say, 2 to 4 weeks, that's when you can realistically expect to start seeing some real, tangible results. So with that in mind, how do you actually start? Forget about overthinking it. Here is a simple 4-step action plan you can follow the moment this explainer is over. Okay, step 1, just pick one method, either content creation or freelancing. Don't you dare try to do both. Step 2, learn 1 or 2 AI tools that go with that method. That's it. Then, step 3, spend a couple of days just practicing with them. And finally, step 4, the most important one, just start. Start posting, start offering your service. Progress over perfection, always. And that brings us to the final and most important question of all. After seeing these methods, after seeing the plan, what will you build first? Are you going to start that AI-powered YouTube channel? Or are you going to go out and land your first freelance client? The opportunity is right there. It is just waiting for you to take it.